What's going on, my friends? Exciting day, day 15. Today's an exciting day. We're gonna be heading an hour and a half west of Krabi to a place called the Emerald Pool, and I'm gonna link it. I'm gonna link the description and everything down below in my descriptions. Great reviews, and so Tram and I were really excited to check this place out. Yeah, let's get to it. Alright guys, so we finally made it. A lot of turns and long stretches of highway. So far it looks really beautiful, so I'm anxious to show y'all this place, alright? So let's do it. So we end up choosing the 1.4 kilometer walk. I'm loving this nature, the sound of the bugs, the waterfall, the sound of the waterfall in the background. See, this is what I like. This is my stuff here. We're heading to the blue pool first before we jump into the emerald pool and take a dip. Now we are going back to the emerald pool and go for a little swim because it is hot right now. So yeah, we definitely want to do a little swimming here. So we are done with Emerald Pool. Hope you enjoyed the blue pool as well. And so now we're taking the other way to get out of here. And yeah, I think the next thing we're gonna do is go to the hot, salty waterfall. I think that's what it's called. So yeah, it shouldn't be too long because I saw a lot of signs pointing to that way. So yeah. right, here we go, guys. We just got to the Hot Spring Waterfall. It's about a 10-minute drive from the Emerald Pool. And just to give you a heads up, it's 160 baht per person. And if you bring a scooter, they'll charge you a $10 parking fee, not $10, 10 baht parking fee as well. So right now, Tram and I, we just paid 330 baht. I suck at math. Hey guys, when you see this, do not go through there. That's not gonna lead you to the waterfall. Just follow, I guess where it says exit. Follow this path. Paid 150 baht for all 3 dishes, and in my opinion, can't beat that. So yeah, right now Tram and I, we are walking to the beach. We're going to Anong Beach. We're gonna watch the sunset again. Bang bang. What do you do?
Yeah, I work here, my friend.
What do you work? Where?
Yeah, no, there.
Oh, okay. The tailor?
Yes, yes.
Awesome.